According to reports, Elon Musk's billionaire boring company plans to tunnel under Tesla Gigafactory, Texas in Austin. It's unclear, though, what Tesla intends to do with it. The boring company has been in talks with the state and local governments about a number of projects since relocating to Texas, according to a recent story from the auto tech website Electrek. But up until today, none of them have advanced. The boring company certainly has a seductive sound. Elon Musk, the man who founded Tesla and launches rockets into space, founded and funds the company SpaceX. It has developed a novel, albeit untested idea for eradicating traffic. It wants to create underground vehicles so that regular people like you and me may ride them at top speeds of 150 miles per hour without ever meeting traffic. The boring company must first accomplish something genuinely monumental, get past local government before sinking its equipment into the ground and tunneling to triumph. The head of operations for the boring company, Jen Balahaja, addressed the Culver City Council in LA County for 45 minutes, outlining why Musk believes he should be granted permission to construct a tunnel beneath their residences. Public attendees flocked to the occasionally chippy meeting, which highlighted both the exciting and occasionally inconsistent aspects of the transportation company's plans. The boring company, according to Balahaja, has finished the tech development phase and is prepared to construct a proof-of-concept tunnel that would stretch 6.5 miles between the cities of Los Angeles and Culver City, which are located to the west of it. Testing the company's capacity to develop across jurisdictions and manage all the challenges that it entails is one of the objectives here. In addition to working with Caltrans, the state transportation department, to secure the right-of-way beneath public highways, she claimed the corporation had already requested an excavation permit from LA. The regional authorities, though, are not totally persuaded. Later in 2016, Musk had an idea for the boring company while snarled in LA traffic. He reasoned that by creating numerous underground tunnels that were each just broad enough for a single automobile or a multi-passenger pod, he might eradicate the issue of congestion. Everyone would go at triple-digit speeds in those vehicles propelled by electric skates. He also asserted that he could do the task at least 4 times faster and for a lot less money than conventional tunneling techniques, a claim he hasn't supported and that tunneling engineers doubt. Musk noted that the Hyperloop, his concept for a levitating train that operates in a tube of near vacuum, might fit within longer tunnels linking cities. Musk started digging its test trench beneath the SpaceX offices in Hawthorne, Los Angeles County, using a used tunnel boring machine he had purchased. The mayor of Hawthorne granted the boring company permission to construct a 2-mile test tunnel beneath the city's streets by the end of August. It now intends to submit a bid for the construction of high-speed rail in Chicago between downtown and O'Hare International Airport. It claims to be in discussions to create a Hyperloop between Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, Maryland, which will eventually extend to New York. This new contact with local authorities come 1 month after Musk experienced severe blowback on Twitter for his remarks regarding the drawbacks of using public transportation. Additionally, the Culver City presentation appeared to be designed to allay any potential worries. Instead of emphasizing the individual Teslas featured in the initial promotional video for the boring company, Balahaja concentrated on the Loop, the compact pods designed to convey numerous passengers. She said that the boring company's system wouldn't require any funding from taxpayers and would complement the Los Angeles County Metropolitan Transportation Authority's developing public transportation system. Additionally, she stated that the cost of a ride in a pod operated by the boring company would be similar, if not lower, than that of any current public conveyance. The 5 members of the city council reacted to the presentation in different ways. Megan Soliwell said she's concerned about the public transit services, which are responsible for providing equal mobility options for the entire community, will face competition from the private transportation business. She said she hasn't seen it happen, so she doesn't really trust a private corporation to watch out for equity. From a public standpoint, it's half-baked, but it looks incredibly attractive and super easy. Others are in favor of infusing some Musk magic into the city, which has 40,000 residents and is well known for its film and television facilities. Mayor Jeffrey Cooper stated, "We're a pretty forward-thinking city, but I think there's still so much to test out and so much technology that's going to advance. I believe that simply saying no would be foolish of us." He expressed his hope that the corporation would present the city council with a stronger proposition in the future. Balahaja also provided some further fresh information regarding the complex technical plans of the boring company. The tunnel system will have numerous entrances and exits, but unlike a subway, each pod will carry all of its passengers to a single destination without stopping at each station. The Boring Company claims that its autonomous electric skates are faster than regular subway cars in a letter it sent to the Culver City Council. Most notably, Loop is a public transportation system that is express. The skate's average speed is therefore very near to its top speed, unlike trains. The plans of the Boring Company have drawn the utmost skepticism from tunneling professionals. They point out that the tunneling company's issues don't just stop at the actual digging. They also have to build supports as they go, bring soil to the surface, check for construction damage, and keep track of where sensitive utility lines are buried. The Boring Company claims it's looking into using earth instead of taking it to the surface and dumping it elsewhere to create bricks to support the tunnel walls. Then there are tasks that take the most time: applying for permits, filing reports, and hiring contractors. Those several city council sessions too. That would be useful in cities like Culver City as well. John Nachbar, the city manager, said that this project would involve major staff investment and that it was likely the city would need to employ experts to help it through the process. For us, this would be a very massive task. Tesla's initial tunnel was an odd one. Elon Musk unveiled a test tunnel for his Envision zero-emission, high-speed transit system, complete with a surface-to-tunnel car elevator and a Tesla modified to run along the tunnel track. 2 years after founding his cutting-edge tunneling startup, The Boring Company. After months of fielding media inquiries, tweeting teases, and delaying a week, the ramp or vehicle elevator is used to enter and exit Tesla automobiles equipped with extensible tracking wheels. As soon as the vehicle enters a tunnel, the tracking wheels protrude from beneath it and lock into a guideway to keep the vehicle's wheels on concrete platforms. The test tunnel can accommodate vehicles moving at up to an anticipated 150 miles per hour. Now, Musk has come up with a new tunnel project. The Colorado River Connector Tunnel concept has been submitted by Elon Musk's businesses to the city of Austin to construct a tunnel on the Tesla Gigafactory Texas site. While it has sparked numerous theories, one guy back home appears to have the solution to all the intrigue. Kunal Bal, a co-founder of Snapdeal, tweeted his predictions regarding the tunnel's intended use. Why else would a tunnel exist beneath at Elon Musk's auto manufacturing facility? Bal posted a news article about the tunnel with the caption, "It's a Batcave definitely." The Batcave is the superhero Batman's underground headquarters, and Batman is portrayed as creating cutting-edge technology in this area. The tech tycoon has frequently been linked to Batman's previous persona as billionaire Bruce Wayne. Putting these speculations aside, Tesla has not yet disclosed its plans for the tunnels. While Elon Musk publicly makes a great deal out of going to Texas, his company is battling with state officials over several ostensibly unimportant permitting concerns. Since relocating to Texas, Musk's pet project Boring has been in talks with the state and local governments about some projects. Electric and Auto Technology website reports that nothing has yet to come pass. The company's Loop Travel in Las Vegas is its flagship project. A loop is a network of tunnels where Tesla electric vehicles transport passengers between stations to avoid surface traffic. It is similar to a subway system but uses smaller vehicles that may stop anywhere. Although the business has been looking to the other projects around the US, no other significant project has advanced. What do you guys think about this amazing tunneling technique? Do you really think it is a Batcave, as Bal said? Let's know in the comment section below.